All right, I'm back. I got the bolts tightened. I got it set back down on its wheels. So here's the belt on the top. And we just got to get it over this small pulley and around behind the tensioner there. And there it is. Pretty simple. And I've got a bolt over here for the auger we can put in so that this side works. That lined up, put in there. Hold on. All right, so let's, before we put the cover on, we'll take this off and check that it works. We should be good. Give it some choke, a couple primes. So as you can see, it works. We'll button everything up and call it good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Maybe I can get some better camera work going. Thank you.